This is a triangle ABC. We want to find how long is CB. This is the A side. We use sine law to find how long is the A side. Write down the sine law. Start with the unknown A side. A divided by sine of the opposite angle. This side divided by the sine of the opposite angle, 44 degrees. Solve for A. Now, use your calculator to do the calculation on the right-hand side. You enter 2.5, then multiply sine 62, enter the button, divide, then enter the button sine, then enter the number 44. And then press the button equal, and you get the answer right away, which is if you do the way I just mentioned, using the calculator, then you will have all the decimals available on the calculator. And finally, you may round it if you like. I round it, and the answer is 3 decimal 2. Use the calculator in one step. It's very, very convenient, and you have all the accuracy of so many decimals. Next example. Triangle ABC. This angle is given. This angle is also given. This side is given. I want this side. Remember the first example. I start with the unknown. In this example, the unknown is A. So I start with A. So I need to write A divided by sine this angle. But I don't know angle A. Therefore, the first step is to find how big is angle A. You know, if you add the three angles of a triangle, you get the result 180 degrees. Therefore, to find angle A, you subtract 71 and 53 from 180. This is what you do. 180 minus 71 minus 53, you get angle A. The result is 56. Once you have angle A, you can write down the sine law, starting with the unknown side A. This is the sine law. You start with the unknown, which is side A. A divided by the sine of the opposite angle. Opposite angle is angle A. I have angle A. Equals this side divided by sine of the opposite angle, 71. Now I isolate side A. Multiply the denominator sine 56 to the numerator of the right hand side. I get this. Just like the first example, use your calculator. Enter the number 4. Press multiplies button. Press the button sign. Enter 56. Press the button divide. Press the button sign. Enter the number 71. Press the button equal. You get the final answer right away. You get the answer with all the decimals available on your calculator. And you may round it if you wish. That's this example. Next example. In this example, triangle XYZ. One angle 65 degrees is given. Two sides are given, 17, 13. I want to find the angle Y. Now, this is different from the first two examples. In the first two examples, I want to find the unknown sides, but now I want to find the unknown angle. Because we want to find the unknown angle, I start with the unknown angle in the numerator. Y is the unknown angle. I start by writing sine y in the numerator, divided by the opposite side. Opposite side, 13. This angle is given, sine 65. Divided by the opposite side, 17. Isolate sine y by moving the denominator from here to the numerator on the right-hand side. This is my sine y. But I don't want sine y, I want y. I want angle y. So what is angle y? It is the arcsine of the right-hand side. Use your calculator, enter arcsine. How do you enter arcsine? On my calculator, I must press second function first and then press the sine button. This is how I enter arcsine. And then I must enter all these. But before you enter the numbers, please enter brackets. So this is what you do. Second function, sine, bracket, 13, multiply, sine, 65, divide 17, close the bracket, press equal. You get the answer right away. If you do that, use your calculator in one step, you get the answer right away with so many decimals, and finally you may round it. That's how you do it. One more example. In this example, the triangle is not given to you, but instead you are given the information like this. So what you need is to draw the triangle. Angle G is 47. Small h is 5. What is small h? Small h is the side opposite angle capital H. Capital H is here. Opposite is the small h. That is 5. Small g is 4. Small g is the side opposite capital G. Capital G is here, opposite is here. So this is small g and that is 4. What I want is angle H. Because I want angle H, so I put angle to the numerator. I start with sine H. Divided by the side opposite angle H. 5. Sine 47. Divided by the side opposite 47 degrees. That is 4. Isolate sine H by moving the denominator 5 to the right-hand side numerator. 5 goes to here. Now, it is similar to the example before this one. So I have sine H, but I don't want sine H. I want angle H. So I need arcsine on the calculator to find the answer. Use your calculator, enter arcsine. On my calculator, it is you press second function first and then press sine. The result is arcsine. Enter a bracket, enter the number 5, press multiply, press sine, enter 47, press the button divide, enter the number 4, press the button bracket, then press the button equal. You have the answer. That is your final answer. And you may round it to 66 degrees. That is all I want to discuss under the topic sine law. Let's make a summary. to apply sine law, you start with the unknown in the numerator on the left-hand side. And then isolate the unknown. Then use your calculator in one step, get the answer. That is when your unknown is a side. Suppose your unknown is an angle. Then you write sine of that unknown angle first in the numerator on the left-hand side. And then write the sine law as usual. After that, you isolate the unknown angle, sine unknown angles. Isolate that. Then after that, find the unknown angle, use arcsine. And I recommend you use your calculator in one step. In this way, you get all the decimals available on your calculator. And finally, you may round it. That's it for sine law. Next time, we probably talk about cosine law. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.